we're here in Munich for Global NCAP 24 to bring together all of the 12 NCAPs that operate around the world, together with other stakeholders, to support partnerships that can really push forward with vehicle safety.
Road safety is an eminently multi-sectoral issue that touches governments, civil society, the car industry, many parts of society have a role to play, and so nobody can address it alone. It's only together that we can achieve it. And today we're at NCAP 24 to see how we can achieve more results faster.
Bringing all this together here makes it possible for us to discuss where are we at and where do we need to go in the future and how do we get there.
We think the transformation of vehicles, which we have to face in the next years, will only be managed if we have partnerships globally.
We have a particular focus on G20 in terms of vehicle safety because we know that the G20 countries alone account for more than 56% of all global road fatalities. That's over 700,000 lives lost in G20 countries alone. And that's why it's such a huge focus for us and where we sort of see vehicle safety being able to make the biggest difference.
We get to learn what's the state of the art for the NCAPs, what's the state of the art for the manufacturers and the providers of the technology, and how can we enhance the situation of the penetration of technologies in our region, in our markets.
And at NCAP 24, we are showcasing these technologies and encouraging countries and regulators around the world to consider deploying these life-saving solutions as soon as possible.
So there are many NCAPs here at NCAP 24, and it's very important that we talk to each other and learn from each other to actually improve the protocols that we work with, the tests that we apply going forward, and the requirements that we ask the vehicle manufacturers to meet.
Far too many people are still killed, about 1.3 million people killed every year on the roads. Many of those crashes are avoidable, preventable, especially with safer vehicles, both for occupants and also for vulnerable road users.